Hey yo, what's going on, y'all? So we're gonna start working on the cars, but for some reason it's snowing outside. Like, it just started snowing. With that being said, in this video I am gonna start working on this piece again. I do still have a lot of body work I need to do. I still have this massive headache to deal with, and I want to smoothen out these over fenders because it's getting pretty good. But one thing I do want to do is clean up this car because this thing is just atrocious, and honestly, it being this dirty kind of puts me off to working on it. I actually got hit up on Instagram by a little company y'all may know, Shine Armor. They hopped in your boys' DMs and were like, yo, we seen your YouTube channel with the 70 subscribers and we want to send you out a little something. And I was like, hey, yo, I could use some quick detailer actually. So in this box from Shine Armor, they sent out a quick detailer bottle and some clay mitts, which we're actually going to use. And coincidentally, the last time this car was cleaned, a year ago, 2 years ago, by the man himself. You already know who it is.
Bang, bang.
Bang, bang. Yes, sir. Hooli with the toolie.
Bang, bang.
Clean this for me, so who better else to help me use this product than that guy? So I'm gonna go ahead, unbox this, show y'all what I got, and show y'all if we can clean this car with just a quick detailer. All right, so in the box, what they said that they were gonna send me was the clay mitt and a quick detailer kit. So I haven't opened it yet, obviously, but in here, let's see. Oh yeah, this is what we're gonna be cleaning along with the entire car. So I have wrap, carbon fiber, and regular car paint. So we're gonna see how this works on all of the surfaces. So I got the towels right there, and then the main thing, the quick detailer. You know what? This is kind of like the purple from the Acuity. Like it. That's how you know it's gonna be good. Yo, Acuity, hit me up. That's all I'm saying. But anyways, right here, quick detailer, Shine Armor. I'm just gonna go ahead, spray this on, not even wiping this down, and we'll just see what it does, honestly. So disclaimer before the video begins, there are instructions on the bottle on how to use this. In this video, you're gonna see me do some lawless stuff that you should never do. So before we get into the video, I'm gonna show y'all how to use the product actually. Spray the solution on the cloth. Go ahead, wipe down any surface that's dirty. You can see right here, it's probably making this even more clean. And then it's gonna haze up a little bit, and then wipe that down with a damp cloth. And that'll give you the shine that you want without any haziness. That's pretty much how you use this. You can see the instructions on there. Very simple and easy to follow along to. That's it. And without further ado, it's pretty saucy. I mean, I can't really speak for the wrap itself because it's been on here for like 5 years, but for the most part, it's like super fine mist. Just wipe it down, and honestly, you don't even need that much. And then this is the door right here. This thing is dusty. Y'all can't be judging me, all right?
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I'm actually just gonna clean this whole entire door in one pass. So, sprayed it a few times. This is getting kind of dirty. Wipe this down. And honestly, I never realized cleaning something like this would be this easy. I kind of want to color this car back to factory, honestly. And I was just informed that the top of the trunk is actually not the dirtiest part, since my man's wanting to call me out, right? And say this is actually the dirtiest part. What you think about that?
Damn!
Yeah, it comes out nice, really good. Like I said again, don't be using quick detailer like this. You're gonna scratch your paint. But if it's already clean and you got a little bit of dirt on it, this is more than fine. This will do the job and you'll be set. So this isn't even like OEM paint with OEM clear on it. This is just rattle can. And just from here, you can see that this got this so clean that you can see where he had his sticker at. Like, it just took off all the dirt. And then, I don't know, this stuff just works so good on any surface. And I'm demonstrating this on like the worst possible surfaces that you can do this on. It's just, there's so many imperfections that I could see in this project car that this just brings out. So I definitely forgot to film the outro to the video yesterday just because we got so caught up in cleaning the car. And honestly, this thing looks great. I took it to a Cars and Coffee earlier today. First time in forever that I brought this thing out in public like that, with the exception of the meets that are usually at night. But this thing just looked too good not to take it out. So I'm gonna bring y'all up closer and yeah, let's check out this car. It looks hot. All right, yeah, it's still clapped, but geez, this thing looks so much better. Like the sun has kind of gone away now, but you can still see that this thing is shining even in this overcast weather. Like, we got so caught up on cleaning the door on the other side first, and then we just moved on to all the other panels. And look at that. This was nothing but that quick detailer. Sprayed it on the microfiber, had another microfiber with water, hit it with a quick detailer, wiped it down with the water, and this thing is shining. So I had to push the car in because for some reason, it wants to snow. But make sure y'all click the affiliate link in the description to get a fat discount on any of the products Shine Armor sells. And stay tuned for part 2 where we use this clay mitt. The car isn't quite ready for that, so we're gonna hold off on using that until more of the bodywork is done and the car is ready for wrap. And with that being said, this video is also a wrap, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Later.